Hey everyone, David with Headset Advisor, and today we are going to do an unboxing sneak peek of the Plantronics 8220 UC wireless headset. Now this is a DECT wireless headset versus a Bluetooth wireless headset. What that's going to do is it runs on a radio frequency and ultimately will give you longer wireless range. Let's see what's inside and see how they did. All right, as you see there, we got a USB dongle. This is USB-A, and it looks like it has a little cap over the cover there. That's kind of cool. And a little red USB part. They like putting that red in there as a hint of red for their branding here. They have changed their name from Plantronics to Poly as they merged with Polycom, so you'll see Poly on all of their branding. It's kind of interesting. This dongle is a little bit longer than the Bluetooth USB dongles. They're a little bit shorter. The reason for that likely is because this is a DECT wireless technology, so it needs a little bit more space for that technology. So curious to see how that turns out. It has a quick start guide. I like how they've packaged this all nicely displayed. Here's the 8220. They have a 8220 that is a desk phone headset, but this one just connects to your computer through a USB dongle. And see there, it's got a nice microphone boom. It's lightweight. This does have active noise cancellation switch at the bottom there, so it will help to eliminate that background noise. First impression is this seems like a lightweight wireless USB headset for all-day use. A lot of the other models that I've been reviewing lately have been a Bluetooth wireless, and they seem to be a lot bigger and bulkier, kind of designed more for music, but this one definitely seems like lighter weight. Let's see what else is inside here. Looks like they have a charging base, kind of like that. Most of the UC headsets I see out there, they just have a USB cable that connects to your computer or an AC adapter. Looks like this is a charging base. Let's see if I haven't used this before, so this is the first time. Oh yeah, there it goes. Look at that. It's kind of fancy. It's kind of nice having a charging base because then you have a dedicated spot for your headset, which is always nice. So let's put that aside. Let's see if they got anything else. Just some cardboard. Got a little carrying case. And it looks like instructions in a variety of languages. Let's see, it looks like there's something inside here. Okay, so it looks like this is a USB-C connector. Oh yeah, it looks like there's a USB-C port on the bottom of the headset. Should be able to see that, but it probably... Okay, so this is a power adapter spot. So basically you can charge and plug in your headset with the USB-C cable, and then they have the power adapter that plugs into the charging stand. So if you want to use the charging stand, you can, or you can just charge it or connect it to the computer with this USB cable. And it's always nice having a carrying case in case you travel or going on the road. You have a spot to put it and helps keep your, investment protected. So let's just put it in there, see what that's like really quick. This is a dual speaker headset. What they use this for typically is in a louder environment. So if you travel a lot and you're, going through an airport, or you're in an office that has a lot of people around you and people are just talking and being loud, that active noise cancellation and the dual speakers just helps you remove that background noise so you can focus in on your calls and or your music. But that's it in the carrying case. That works pretty well. Some of the other case that I've seen from other manufacturers have a little bit harder case, which I think I would prefer, because this seems like it could get kind of damaged a little bit, but it's lightweight and I'm assuming it will protect it. But there you go. That's a quick sneak peek, preview, and unboxing of what comes inside the box. What we're going to do next is we're going to do an in-depth review of the product so you can see all the features of it and also the sound quality and noise cancellation. So be on the lookout for that. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more headset and other telecom related content. Appreciate you taking the time to view this video today, and I put the links in the description below for this video, and I hope you have a great day.